At a recent meeting with newspersons, the MLA from Mausanram constituency, Hima M. Shangpliang, said that the implementation of the FASTag token by the central government is inappropriate as many are not able to comply to the order issued through the National Highway Authority of India at such short notice. He also added that toll gates at Yalong Pas E in Jaintia Hills and 11th Mile at Ribhoi district were jam-packed with vehicles, whose occupants were cautioned not to proceed further by magistrates and police who were manning these gates.
Kendit kawan sekejing ya kipai ba ya bayar hakadenti highway lakade sha Yalong Pas I ne lakade shati sha khwimer balik sha bernihat da kaba ka NHAI ka introduce ya kata ka an planet the rule wa deban siu ya kata ka FASTag uday kenja tiket lane kenja stiker ke pendai ka kali kenang ba habaya na katu ka toll gate kata kamut bakin shoe scan tang ya katu bat la siu lupa ya kapisa banduk ban like bandrung bani ni welcome ya kata kamuk joka central government andre ke central government kabu ita ipor ibak lungkot hadu kata ta ba upai ba sumpat yo watnai kapor ban thiet yu FASTag lani ban download yu FASTag ban pendai kali tela penjari ya kata banaru khatar beje menmiet ha kata kasi ki kali kimbit syu bakin yan klem ka FASTag bagi bayar ru la sya fine arsya hakim magistrate bagi pulit bala lupa hanta.
Shangpliang urged upon the government, through its Transport Minister and the Transport Department, to extend the time period for the public to acquire the token so as not to create any chaos and confusion amongst travellers. He added that public appeal through newspapers, social media platforms and press releases should take place at the earliest for information of the general public.
Na dawa nak sarkar ba kambit syu ba kamde ba kanle kunni kade ban pentip yu pai ba shwa kapo dewan pentip shi banai shwa arte yu shwa bal lada andala de pentip ngimyo I tangwat hikot khubor ong ban ong ka deadline gade ka tatari ngimyo I wat ha social media ngimyo I haki TV haki channel hangno no ngimyo I ba ka sarkar ka pentip ba kon penjari ya ta ka jing pentri kamu FASTag ya daw dikata kadau nga pundre mjur ya kani bat ngakwa ba ke sarkar kadiban penbet shwai kani kakam kadiban ailat shwa biang katu kan nepor hi upai ba unda penbiang shwai ki FASTag haki kali jongki nang ta pada sa penjari biang ya kani kakam lumdam ta kan warra ka confusion kan wanra ka jing kulmar kan wanra ka jing bomya sutu jingmut hapadeng ka jing nuki non peniat ko sarkar bat hapadeng jongki nong ya dinti transport minister ula de bun ai ka kenja appeal syaki pai ba ka transport department kala de bukan pentip syaki pai ba lemba ki lengkap lemba ki kot khubor lemba ki press release ke gadau bakim le kendit pi penjari kum tani kawan ra ka jing ya upai ba nalor upai ba ula sakut arsingi shwa hapo kani ka jing ya strike jongki nong kali kamai taksi mentawan ra biasa kani ka jing ka ba sisa namla ban mudur hakaru company ya sarkar